Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Sign-In for EV dashboards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Developers Console. Create a new project if you haven't done so already. Once inside your project, go to the Credentials tab. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. You'll be prompted to configure your consent screen. Fill in the required fields such as application name and support email. Set up the scopes your application will need for authentication. Once done, save and continue to the next step. Select Web Application as your application type. Name your OAuth 2.0 client and add authorized redirect URIs. Make sure to include the URI that your EV dashboard application will be using. After saving, you'll receive a client ID and client secret. Keep these credentials secure, as they are essential for authentication. Now, move to your EV dashboard project code. Integrate the Google Sign-In library by adding the required script to your HTML. Initialize the Google Auth library in your JavaScript code. Call the sign-in function when the user clicks the Sign In with Google button. Handle the response to check if the sign-in was successful. If successful, retrieve the user's profile information. Use this information to update your dashboard or proceed with your application logic. Finally, implement sign-out functionality to allow users to log out effectively. Test the entire flow to ensure a smooth user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.